All right, so this next video is going to focus on uploading current PowerPoints that we have to actual slides in Google. Because what happens is a lot of times we've already created a lot of PowerPoints, but we want to save it within our drive and we do not want to take up space. So the way to do that is to convert it from a PowerPoint into a presentation. So all that you do is you go to your drive, and again it's drive.google.com. And once you're here, instead of clicking on the create, which we're used to doing, we're going to click on the little arrow, which is an upload. And you can upload either files or a folder. It's up to you how you want to do this. So I'm going to click on the upload button. I'm going to click on the file itself. And the file I'm going to do is I'm going to do like an open house presentation that I've had a few times that I've done, but I want to now change it from a PowerPoint to a presentation. So I'll go to my desktop, and I'll go down here. Let's just look. And it's this Open House Enrichment Policies PowerPoint. I'll click on that, and I'll say Open. And now it's going to ask me a couple of things. Number one, it's going to say, do I want to convert it to a Google presentation? Or do I want to upload it to my drive as a PowerPoint? Let's first of all just upload it as a PowerPoint. When I do this, you can see that it has the big Microsoft piece, so therefore it is the PowerPoint. And in a moment here, when I refresh the screen, here it is. It's the PowerPoint. Now notice how much space it took up, 976 KB. Okay, that's because I kept it as a PowerPoint. But now let's convert it. Let's change it into a Google presentation. And then we'll look at the two and see how they either look the same or different. So I'm going to upload file again. Go to my desktop because that's where it is. Open House, open. And this time I'm going to convert it. And this time we will convert the documents, presentations and spreadsheets, into a corresponding Google document format. So I'll say start upload. And now, as it's doing this, it now has converted in a moment. Still working here. Let me just go to up. And here it is. It's this right here. And you can notice this is different because this is a presentation icon. So let's look at the two. Here's my first one. So I look through it and I look at all these different presentations. You can see all the different slides, what I have here. So that's my PowerPoint. Okay, and now let's look at the presentation. If you look, even the graphics are still here. Sometimes the formatting changes a bit. If you look here, you can see that it's kind of changed right here. So I will have to format some of the editing, or I have to edit some of the things. But I mean, it's pretty easy to do. As I go through, all the graphics are still here. So it's really, if you have a lot of PowerPoints already, it's not very hard to change all your files over to presentation. Again, what I'll do here is I'll kind of delete this, move it up. Maybe I'll change the font size so that way it fits better. Let's do this real quickly. Change this font size. And I'll go through all the different things to change font size and everything. But basically, where is that font size? I should see it here. Here it is. Sorry about that. So let's just change it. That's really small. Wow, that'd be hard to see. So let's say 30 is too big. So let's go to like 18. And maybe I'll just go through here and now it is more formatted properly. You know, you can make these bigger or whatever, but that's all you have to do. So now you have all these PowerPoints that you've created. You can turn it into presentations. Now look at your drive. If you look here, this one again took 976 KB. This open house presentation, which is now in presentation format, took up none of your space on your drive. So that's why we try to convert things over to Google, either Docs or spreadsheets or whatever, because it takes up no space for you.